Hey, we in Canada's Wonderland, about to take on Alpen Fury.
Oh my goodness.
This is our first ride. I can see Canada from up there. Crazy. Oh my God. Oh, she's so good. She's so fast. I'm upside down. I'm upside down. Oh, that's so good.
That does not let up. It does not let up.
Oh, Canada. Oh, Canada. Canada's Wonderland, you have a banger.
This is a hit.
This
the
is
most
a hit.
anticipated ride of the summer, and they delivered.
They delivered and some.
If you like inversions, this is like.
Enjoyed your ride on
Hey, thank y'all for watching. My name is Prime. I'm the founder and CEO of Melanin Coastal Network. Thank you for riding this ride with me. Y'all made me feel comfortable. Because I was scared.
I was scared too.
I was scared.
But that was good. That was good.
So good.
We got a hit. They got a hit. They got a hit on their hands.
Thank you for riding. And we